Hi, and welcome to Micromine Beyond 25.5. My name is Lino Mazzali, I'm a mine engineer and part of the technical product team at Micromine. Today I'm going to be sharing some of the new features in the variable constraints for pit design. First one will be our polygon zone. So with this feature, you just need to set the elevation you'd like to digitize this polygon. Then you select the area for that zone, and Micromine will extrude that area, creating a volume of influence on your pit design. If this is not enough, if you need to extrude this up to the top of your pit design, simply select the polygon, set the thickness up to the value that will be enough for your design. All the parameters now set for this zone, let's say berm width of 20 meters, will be applied to your design, and you can change as well your slope angles if you'd like, make something more wide. As you can see, everything falls within that polygon zone. And to visualize sometimes our pit design with strings becomes a little bit difficult, so we also have this option here, which has been improved now for speed in the processing, so you can see the chains on the go. And I'll try to show you this with our other feature, which is the polyline. So the polyline can be used when you digitize or simply select part of your bench to apply variable constraint to that part. In this case, I'm gonna digitize. So from this grass here, that little area that now will be accepting any change that I have in these variable constraints. And this applies not only to the roads and any other parameters of your pit design, but as you can see, the pit shell visualization also in real time is being updated. We now added more options for outputs here, so you can output any part of your pit design, which is the pit shell or a solid, or trim with a topo if you do have a topo. And as soon as you click OK, Micromine generate, you can see that it's quite quick. So let's just turn off this. And one by one, so we got our design, which was clipped by the topo. No, this one is not clipped. This one is a solid, so you can send to a scheduler or any other product. This one is clipped with the topo, and then you have the one solid with the topography on the top, so you can see the whole terrain. And the last one will be the merge surface between your topo and the pit design. That's it for all. Hope you enjoyed. And please contact us if you'd like to get a demo from Micromine Beyond 25.5.